Hey, this is your girl Majestie and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I have come back with another video, and by the title you can see it says Jamaicans rename everything. And listen, if you know a Jamaican, you know what I'm about to say is absolutely true. So in this video we're gonna be talking and I'm gonna be explaining why Jamaicans rename everything. So let's get into it. Listen, if a Jamaican doesn't know your name, they either know you by a body feature. So, you know, if your head's a little big, your name's gonna be Big Head Boy or Big Head Gyal. You know, if you smell a little funny, you're gonna be called Smelly Gyal. You know, if you walk a little different, you know a gyal will walk funny. Take a look at this example.
Yeah, what happened to Maxine, son?
Who Maxine son again?
You know a tall boy with his hair when we did go over there. You know, dreaded.
Hold on. I agree now, pit boy.
Oh gosh. But yeah, them lock up boy.
No, sir. You know what? Them probably lock him up because they say he smell bad.
Gosh.
Trust me, if a Jamaican don't know your name, they ain't gonna learn it. They're just gonna give you one. And let me tell you, that will be your name forever. When you're around them, that's what you're gonna be called. Forget your birth name. That don't exist no more. Now, another thing they will rename is a place or a road. So let's just go with the road. If they've been on this road for a while and they probably travel on it every day. But you know the funniest thing is, they won't know the name on the road. You know what they call that road? Whatever they see on that road. Let's say a blue shop is on that road, right? That road is called Blue Shop Road. Trust me when I say that road, the name of that road don't exist. It is now whatever they saw on that road, that's the name of the road. Take a look at this. What time is shows now?
Where did you say we should meet again?
Meet me on Pizza Road.
Where's that?
You know the road where pizza shop there?
Oh, Blue Water Road?
I see him thing, man. Yeah, meet me down there, so.
Okay. No
Alright,
problem.
let me soon
Alright.
come. Alright then. Listen, it's just a lot easier for us, alright? We can't be bothered with all these names, man. But trust me, if you're ever linking a Jamaican, forget what it says on the map. It's whatever they name the road. It's a lot easier as well, man. But the last one I have for you guys, if you see if a Jamaican don't like you, me feel sorry for you, you know. Me feel sorry for you. But you see, if your name ever come up in a conversation and the Jamaica wanna like you, did they? Oi! Well on. A dirty boy Peter you chat about?
What him do you?
Go bring him name around me and I come in like him. He had big like one breadfruit too.
Oh gosh.
No,
What
sir.
him do you, man?
Through the other day, him did a pre-me, me say me no like him cause him broke. He want go on like he want come try diss me. That chat about him around me and I come in like him, you know. Me no like him.
Alright.
Your name always I gotta have something in front of it. Whether a dirty girl, stinking girl, big head boy, nasty boy. Always I gotta have something before your name. So dirty girl Tasha, stinking boy Marcus. Always I gotta have something in front because them not like you, so them a add on pan your name. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you're a Jamaican or if you're friends with a Jamaican or if you know a Jamaican. Is this true? Don't lie now. You know we be renaming like everything. We have our own dictionary, man. Sure. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to like, comment, and please, if you are not already, subscribe. I upload videos every week. I'm trying my hardest to be consistent at that, man. Come on. Don't lie and say I haven't made you laugh. Just click that subscribe button. Dingy bell right there, sir. And you'll be subscribed to my channel. It's not hard. Come on. But once again, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will definitely see you in another one. Bye.